Guys, can you hear me, guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Where we stopped in the last discussion? Any idea? Guys, where we stopped in the last discussion, I hope we discussed about DOM manipulations now. DOM manipulations we
Yes, sir.
completed now.
Yes, sir. Yes.
The DOM manipulations we completed. What are the DOM manipulations are there? All the DOM manipulations are completed. Fine.
Yes.
Now series fun here. Now, after completing the DOM manipulations, now we should be in a position we needed to go for the one more topic. Guys, that advanced Rajax I didn't see here. Whenever I see, I will tell you. But basic level I seen here, but advanced level, still some functions I needed to see. I will tell you whenever I see, then I will tell you. Fine.
Okay, sir.
Guys, next one. Event bubbling and event capturing. Let me see this one here. Event bubbling and event capturing. How to work with the event bubbling and event capturing. That one we will see. Fine. Here itself, guys, what is our folder? What is our
J6.
folder? JS6M na? Our folder is, what is our folder? Our folder is,
Sir, you told today is async and defer keyword.
yeah, can I tell that one now?
Hmm.
Yes, you can defer keyword. Yes, 1 second. 1 second. Yes, JS6AM. Let me open the JS6AM. After opening the JS6AM, let me go for the event bubbling and event capturing async keyword, defer keyword. That keywords we will see. Fine. Let me create one HTML. The HTML file is the events.html. Here itself, we need to create one HTML. The HTML file is the events.html. Let me create the events.html. Madhav. Fine. After creating the events.html, what is the topic? The topic is the event bubbling, event bubbling and
event capturing.
Event capturing, event bubbling and event capturing. So
Sir, event handling is the another topic.
Yeah, another topic. Event bubbling and event capturing. Guys, simple here already, you know. Mohsin, you sent the some class list property. What is the use of that property to get all the classes now? You sent some personal message to me.
Yes, sir.
To get all the CSS classes now?
Yes.
Did you?
Sir, this is used for to get class now.
To get all the classes.
All class.
To get all the classes you applied.
Okay.
Okay, Armata. Then we need to go for the class list property. Why you asked? Did you face in the interview or randomly you asked
No,
that
sir.
question?
Actually, I am looking for mini project. That there.
They use that property. Okay. Just check that one. Okay. Fine. Guys, what is the event bubbling and what is event capturing? For example, general example, guys. This is the parent element. This is the parent, guys. Parent DOM element. Maybe parent division or something is there. This is child element. Whatever we have, this one we can call child element. This one we can call subchild element. This one what we call subchild element. Sandeep, say this one. What is the first element? The first element is the parent element. The first element is the parent element. The first element is the parent element. Next one. Second element is the, what is the second element? Second element is the child element. Next one is the third element is the, what is the third element? The third element is the subchild element. Yes. Totally how many elements we have? Three elements. Parent element, next one is the child element, next one is the subchild element. Nearly 3 elements are there. Fine. Guys, say this one. Very simple point, guys. For example, I don't know whether you can tell the answer or not. Can I tell the one simple psychological example? Simple psychological example I will tell you, guys. For example, small kid is there. Small kid, chota kid is there. Jokely, not serious, guys. If you slap the kid, assume here he's a small kid, just a 1 year kid. If you by mistake, not mistake here, jokely you slapped the kid. Okay, na? What happened? What happened here? Jokely you slapped the kid. What happened? Are respond here.
Child.
Child will cry or not? No. Sub-child will cry or not?
Cry.
He
Yes.
will cry or not? Can he beat me once again? No, because 1 year kid na.
Yes.
Open your mouth here, guys. Small kid, he's the small kid. If I slap the kid, he will cry or not?
Yes. Cry.
Can he beat me once again back?
No.
No,
No.
no. I think later what happened? After crying, what happened? Who will listen immediately?
Child.
Child will listen immediately or not?
Immediately, sir.
Immediately. No need to tell to child. Child will react immediately or not?
Yes.
Yes or not? But child also small child. I think weak mother. The mother also weak mother. She is just 20 kgs mother. Can she handle me? No. No. So mother also will cry or not? So if mother is crying here, so who will come to the picture? Parent will come to the picture or not? Yes or not?
Yes.
You created the problem to which person?
Sub-child person.
Subchild. Because of subchild, who executed? Subchild executed, child executed, parent executed. Without giving any information, if you click the subchild executed, child executed, next one is the parent also executed here. So the events are propagated from down to top now.
Down to top.
The events are propagating from down to top. Propagation of these events, technically we can call event bubbling. Technically, what do you call? Technically, we can call event bubbling. Very, very important, guys. Propagation of events from down to top. Down to top. Technically, we can call event bubbling. Guys, propagation of events from top to down.
Top to down.
Top to down. Propagation of events from top to down. Technically, what do you call? Technically what do you call? Event capturing na. Are respond here. Technically what do you call? Technically we can call event capturing. Voice can you explain once again here? What is event bubbling? What is event bubbling? Propagation of events from
bottom to top.
propagation of events from bottom to top. Bottom to top. Technically we can call event bubbling. Propagation of events from parent to bottom, parent to child, parent to subchild. Technically we can call event capturing. Technically we can call event capturing here. Fine. Give me the second here. I need to share the screenshot also. Leave it here. Something is then I shared that one game. Yes. After completing that one, let me go for the design. Later we need to go for the code. Shravan, are you there now?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Shravan, what is the doc type? Can you tell the doc type?
Not doc type.
Shravan, the doc type is the not to doc type. Not to doc type HTML. Next one. Yeah. Who is the root element?
HTML.
Root element is the HTML. Here itself we have the root element. The root element is the HTML. HTML divided into, coming to the HTML divided into how many parts? HTML divided into how many parts? Two parts. So what is the first part? Head part. The second part is the, what is the second part? The second part is the body part. The first part is the head part here. The second part is the body part here. Now I'll say this one here. Under the head, can I take the title here? Under the head, can I take the title here? Title equal to what you wanted to press here, event capturing. And here itself, what you wanted to specify, event capturing or something we needed to place. Title equal to, here itself, we should be in a position, we need to place the event capturing. Fine. Voice, go to the body tag. We need to go for the body tag. Under the body tag, can I take the parent element? Can I take the parent element? Yes or not?
Yes.
He is the parent, na?
Yes.
Can I take the child element?
Yes.
Can I take the
Yes.
child element? Is he
Hmm.
child element? Yes. Next one. See this one here.
Subchild
Can I
element.
take the subchild element? Can I take the subchild element? Yes, let me take the subchild element. Guys, tell me here. How to take the parent element, how to take the child element, how to take the subchild element. Can you tell me how to take the
Different.
parent element? Parent. And simply we need to take the parent. Let me take the parent here. Next one. Can I place some message here? Which message we need to place? Parent message. Here itself we need to do plus for message. The message is the parent message. Next one goes to say this one here. Can I take
Child
the
element.
child element here?
Hmm.
Can I take the child
Dot
element
child.
here? Child. Here itself child. Goes. Can I take the subchild
Subchild.
element here? Subchild element here. And here itself what you wanted to place subchild. So parent is there under the parent, child is there under the child, which person is there? Subchild also there.
Subchild is
Three members are there. Fine. Guys, can I apply little bit of CSS here?
Yes.
Can I apply
Okay.
little bit of CSS here?
Yes,
Which
child.
tag we need to take?
Style
Which
tag.
tag we need to take? Style tag. Here itself, we should be in a position we need to take the style tag. Can I take the
Dot
parent?
parent.
Can I take the parent here? Talk with me, guys. Parent. Width equal to I need to specify 400 pixels. Height equal to we need to specify 400 pixels. Background color equal to which color we need to specify? Red color. Text color equal to what is the text color here? Text color equal to white color. Yes, we got it or not? Background color equal to red color and the text color equal to white color.
Red color.
Can you apply CSS to the child?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Can I apply CSS to the child? Dot child.
Okay.
Dot child. Width equal to I need to place the 300 pixels. Height equal to 300 pixels. And background color equal to we need to specify green color. Yes, we got the child now.
Hmm.
Yes.
Can I move to the left? Can I move to the left here?
Margin left.
Margin left equal to we need to place the 50 pixels. Margin left equal to here itself we should be in a position we need to place the 50 pixel. Can I move to the top here? Can I move to the top
Margin
here?
top.
Margin top equal to 50 pixel. Margin left equal to 50
Hmm.
pixel and the margin top equal to 50 pixels. Margin
25
top
pixels.
equal to can I place the 25 pixel? Let me
Hmm.
place the 25 pixel. Automatically we can move to the 25 pixel. Next one guys, can I apply CSS to the subchild also?
Hmm.
Talk
Yes.
with me. Can I apply
Yes,
CSS
sir.
to the subchild also?
Dot subchild.
Dot
Dot
subchild na dot subchild here. Dot subchild width equal to and here itself we need to specify the 200 pixel. Height equal to and here itself we need to specify 200 pixel. Width equal to 200 pixel and height equal to and here itself we need to specify the 200 pixel. Both the things I need to specify. Can I apply background color? Background
Yes.
color equal to and here itself we need to top with some yellow color. Fine. Can I go for the alignment here?
Hmm.
Can I go for the alignment? Margin left equal to here itself we need to specify the 50 pixels. Yes. Margin top equal to can I tell the margin top here? Margin top equal to we need to
25
specify
pixel.
25 pixels. Margin top equal to 25 pixels or something we need to specify. Yes, guys, totally how many members are there? Three members
Three.
na.
Three
Parent
members, sir.
member is there, parent member is there, child
Child.
member is there. Next one
Subchild.
is the subchild member is there. Parent member, child member, subchild member. Guys, propagation of events from parent to child, parent to child, child to subchild. Technically, what do you call event bubbling? No,
Even
no, no, no.
No, sir.
Propagation of events from subchild to
parent.
child,
Subchild to parent is even bubbling.
subchild to child,
Parent.
child to
Parent.
parent, down to top. Technically, we can call event bubbling.
Bubbling.
Fine.
Yes.
Give me the second here. I don't have any backup code now because I need the can I check with the Google? Let me check with the Google. Yeah. What is the function he taken? Add event listener function. What is the function he taken? Add
Add
event listener. Here itself what he done? Click function. I think like here guys, actually we need to click it here. How many members are there? 3 members na? 3 members. Sandeep, can I write the script tag?
Button
Yes.
create in child.
Can I take the script tag here? Yes, let me take the script tag. Sandeep, get the reference of subchild. How can you get the reference of subchild as per your knowledge? How to get the
Document-
reference of the subchild?
Document
Document dot
Document dot
get
Hmm.
element
get
by
Document
class
element
name.
by
get element by
Class name.
Element by class.
yeah. Say this one here. Saurav never use your own methods. Last element. Do you have last element?
Query selector.
Do you have the last element? Yeah.
Query
Say this one
selector
here.
all.
Query selector. Query selector of what we have here. What we
Dot.
have here. Subchild.
subchild.
Subchild. So automatically are we getting the subchild?
Yes.
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 Automatically we are getting the subchild here. Fine, guys. Add the click event. We need to click na dot dot add
Add
event
event.
listener. Which event you want to add? Click.
Click.
Click. See this one here. Second argument is the callback function. So whenever you click the subchild, this arrow function will be executed. Whatever the arrow function is there, that arrow function will be executed.
Yes.
Console dot log off. Console dot log off what you wanted to specify subchild.
Subchild.
Console dot log off subchild.
Subchild.
Just to verify ourselves here. Was it working or not? We don't know. Yes, executed subchild executed now.
Yes.
Subchild executed. Go and say this one here. Can you explain once again here? Can you tell me once again here how to execute the subchild? Anyone go say? First of all,
Document dot
get the reference of subchild.
subchild.
Yes.
How can you get reference of subchild?
Document dot
Query selector.
Documented
query
dot
selector.
query selector. Documented dot query selector of subchild na subchild. Click it. We need to click it. How can I click it here?
Dot.
Add
Add
event
event
listener.
listener.
Add event listener. Which listener you want
Click.
to add? Click listener. Say this one here. Whenever you click, automatically one
Callback
function will be
function will be
executed.
executed.
This callback function will be executed. Here itself, what you wanted to specify, console
Console
dot
dot log off.
console dot log off. Console dot log off.
Subchild.
What you wanted to specify, we need to specify subchild. Console dot log off. Here itself, we should be in a position. We need to specify the what you wanted to specify subchild. We need to specify. Let me go for the simply. We need to go for the subchild here. Next one. Can I click the child here?
Yes, sir.
Can I
Yes.
click the child here?
Doc-
Yes, let me go for the child
Document
here.
dot
Documented on
query selector.
documented on
Query selector.
documented on what you wanted to specify here. Documented on what you wanted to specify. Query selector. Documented on query selector of what you wanted to
Child.
specify. Child. Next one.
Add
Add
event.
event
Add
listener.
listener.
Add event listener of what you wanted to specify. Click on. What is the second argument we need to pass? Second
Callback.
argument is the callback function. And here itself,
Console dot log
what
off.
you wanted to specify. Console dot log off.
Parent.
Console dot log off
Child.
what you wanted to specify.
Child.
Child.
Okay.
Console dot log off child here. Guys, what we clicked subchild, we clicked na?
Yes.
See this
Yes.
one, we clicked what subchild.
Child and
If I click the listen, if I listen here. If I click the subchild, who executed?
Both
Subchild executed
child
and
also.
immediately child also
Okay, okay.
executed.
Yes.
Okay, na? So this is the event of bubbling, guys. Let me go for the parent also. How to work with the parent. Guys, see this one again. Document it on get a documented at query selector na?
Query selector.
Query selector of what you wanted to specify. We need to
Parent.
specify parent. Guys, add
Add
event
event.
listener na? Add
Yes.
event listener.
Click
Which
event.
listener you want to add?
Click
Click
event.
listener. Here itself, what is the second argument?
Callback function.
Second
Arrow
argument is
function.
the callback function. And
Console
here
dot
itself,
log.
console.log of
console.log.
console.log of what you wanted to specify. We need
Parent.
to specify the parent here. We need to specify the parent. Yes, guys, totally how many elements are there? Three
Three
elements.
element.
So if I click subchild, if I
Three,
click the
three,
subchild, who will execute?
three.
Subchild will execute.
Subchild will execute.
Child will execute.
Child is
And
parent.
parent will
Parent.
execute.
Subchild, child, parent. Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
Subchild, child, parent. The events are propagating from bottom to
Bottom to
top.
top.
Down to
Top.
up. Yes.
If I click the child, who will execute? If I
Yeah.
click the child, who will
Child
execute?
will
Child,
execute.
child
Parent.
and child
Parent.
and parent. Child and parent.
Parent.
If I click the parent, who will
Only
execute?
parent.
Only parent. Only
Only
parent will
parent.
execute here. Fine. Now say this one. Okay, let me write that order also. For example, if you click subchild, if you click subchild here, what will happen? Who will execute first of all? Subchild will
Subchild.
execute. Next one,
Child.
child will execute. Next one is
Parent.
the parent will
Parent.
execute. Fine. If you click the child, if you click the child here, who will execute? Who will execute
Child.
here? Child will execute.
Child.
Next one is the
Parent
parent
will-
will execute. If you click the parent, if you click the parent here,
Parent
who
will
will
Only parent.
execute?
Only
Only
parent.
parent will execute. Who will execute?
Only
Only parent will execute here. So propagation of these events we can call the event bubbling. Guys, I think they asked some question here. I didn't remember that one. Let me check this one here. Here itself, we need to pass one predefined object. Which object we need to pass? Event object. In the JavaScript itself, guys, in the JavaScript itself, we have one predefined object. That predefined object we can call event object. One predefined object is there. Guys, break the link, guys. I need to break the link. Whatever the link we have, that link we need to break here. Event dot stop propagation. Guys, where you cut the break, where you stopped the break, where you done the break here. In the child itself, na?
Child itself. Yes.
So child may not contact to whom?
Parent.
Subchild.
Parent. Parent.
No. This link is there.
Okay.
Parent child link is there. No problem. Child and the subchild link is disconnected now.
Yes.
See this fun. Events are propagated from where? Bottom to top na?
Bottom
Go
to
down
top.
to.
So
Yes.
this link okay.
Top link is
Parent
okay.
to child
Yes.
link is okay. But child to subchild break it here. Fine. Now, if I break the link here internal, what happen? Guys, if I click the subchild, what happen?
3.
Only subchild.
Saurav 3 or 300? Saurav 3 or 300? Fine. If I click the subchild, guys, what happen?
Only
Subchild.
subchild.
Subchild child.
Child.
The reason is the
Okay.
what is the reason? The
Stop.
link disconnected na, parent link
Yes.
disconnected na,
Yes.
parent link disconnected. If I click the child, what happen?
Only child.
Only
Only
child.
child.
If I
Yes.
click the parent, what happen? Only parent.
Only
Only
parent.
Parent. Guys, actually the events are navigating from down to up here. But here the link is breaking na.
Yes, sir.
Here itself the link is breaking. Here itself the link is breaking
From the
here.
middle.
The link is breaking here. So up to here link is okay.
Hmm.
Up to here link is okay. But here itself the link is breaking. How we break out the link here? With the help of which function? Stop propagation. With the help of one function, the function is the stop propagation here. These two members are good. Whoever the two members are there, these two members are good here. But middle person to top person, the relation is not good here. Remember that point here. Fine. Now guys, how to stop the propagation? How to stop the propagation? See this one here. Stop. Yeah, see this one here. Evented on. Which one? Stop propagation. Evented on. Stop propagation. One predefined function is there. Event is the predefined. Event is the predefined. In that prevent, we have the one function. Which function? Stop propagation function. Fine. Now say this one here. How to? For example, anyhow here you people need to practice that one here. Once if you practice, then you can get the clarity here. Fine. Guys, this concept of what do you call? This concept, what do you call event
Event
bubbling? Na?
bubbling.
Event book.
Whatever the concept we have, this concept we can call event bubbling. Fine. Guys, can I go for event capturing also?
Yes.
Yes.
Guys, what is event capturing? What is event
Top
capturing
to
here?
bottom.
Top to bottom.
Top to bottom.
Top to
Parent to
bottom, we can call top to bottom, we can call
upside.
event capturing here. Fine. Guys, to implement event capturing, I hope a separate methods are there, but I didn't remember that method. But let me check the method. Event capturing, we can set a handler capture option to true. By default, it is set to be false. Here also same thing, na? Here also same thing. Here add event listener, na? Here also
Yes.
same
method.
function, na?
Same
Same
image.
function, same function. But here we need to use the linking function. Sandeep, say this function here itself. Here itself, what is the concept we need to do? See event capturing,
Event
na?
capturing.
Event capturing. Fine. Can you tell how to get the reference of the parent?
Document dot
How
query.
to get
Document dot query
reference of the
selector.
parent?
Document
Documented
dot
on
query
documented on
selector.
Query
query
selector.
selector of documented query selector of which
Parent
one?
dot
Parent.
Parent dot add
Add
event
Add
listener.
event listener.
Which listener? Which listener?
Give.
Click listener.
Click list.
Fine. What is the second argument? Callback function. Callback function. Okay. Fine. This parent should link to child na.
Yes.
This
Oh.
parent should link to child na.
Yes.
To link this parent to child, we need to pass one Boolean value. Which Boolean value? The Boolean value is the
True.
true. So with the help of this Boolean value, parent internally linking to child itself with the help of this Boolean value. Which Boolean value? True. So
True.
automatically the parent will link to child itself here. Fine. Next one, go say this one here. Here itself, try to say this one here, and here itself console.log off. Console.log off what you wanted to specify parent. Fine. Guys, can I get the child reference? Can I get
Yes.
the child reference?
Document dot query
Documented on
selector.
query
Query
selector of
selector.
documented
child.
on
Dot
query
child.
selector of dot child dot
Dot
add
add
event listener dot add event listener.
Click.
Which listener? Click listener. What is
Callback
the
function.
second argument? The second argument is
Arrow
the callback
function.
function. Next one, and here itself we need to pass
True.
the Boolean value. Guys, if I remove Boolean value, that one we can call event bubbling.
Yes.
If I place a Boolean value, that one what do you call event
Event
capturing?
capture.
Event capturing here. Fine, now say this one again. Here itself, let me press the console.log off. Console.log off. What you wanted to specify? We need to
Child.
specify the child. Go see this one again. Can I go for the subchild also?
Yes.
Can I go for the subchild also? Why not? Documented on query selector of documented on query selector
Dot
of what
subchild.
you wanted to place dot subchild dot what you wanted to specify
Add event
add
listeners.
event listener. Add event listener
Click.
of what you wanted to specify here. Click listener na. Click listener. What is the
Callback
second
function.
argument we need to pass? The second argument is the callback function. Whatever
True.
the callback function we have, that callback function we need to pass. Guys, console.log off. Console.log off what you wanted to specify. Console.log off what you wanted to specify. We should be in a position we need to specify the subchild. What are the subchild we have? That subchild we need to specify. Okay, now fine. Now say this one here. We need to execute it, guys. Try to execute it again, guys. Please click the parent. Guys, if I click the parent, who will execute? Parent.
Parent.
Child
Only
subchild.
parent. Parent and child.
No. Say this one here, guys. If I click the parent, only parent executed. Guys,
Yes.
if I
Yes.
click the child,
Only child execute.
no. Parent and Saurav, you are in the dilemma, Saurav. No. All the answers are wrong today, whatever you are saying here. Parent and child. If I click the subchild, who executed? Parent executed,
Child
parent
subchild.
executed, child executed, subchild executed. Go
All
say
are
this one. All are executed. Go say this one here. But finally, events are from where? Top to bottom.
Top
Say
to
this
bottom.
one. If I click the parent, only parent. One. If I click the child, if I click the child,
Parent and child.
parent and child,
child and parent.
parent
Okay,
and a
okay,
child.
okay.
If I click the subchild, Parent
Parent,
is
child.
subchild. Guys, in the interview here, they won't ask this kind of thing. The order they will ask here. Remember that one. I think you
Okay.
people need to see the order, guys. Fun. If I click the parent, what is the answer? The answer is
Parent,
only parent.
child.
Only parent. If I click, I think my answer is the wrong, guys. If I click the child, what is the answer?
Parent,
Answer is
child.
the parent and
child.
answer is the parent and
Child.
child. Parent and child here. So if I click the subchild, if I click the
Parent,
subchild
child,
here,
subchild.
if I
Parent,
click
child,
the
subchild.
subchild here, so what is the answer? Order is important, guys. First one is the
Yes.
parent here. First one is
Parent,
the
then
parent
child,
here.
then
Next one
subchild.
is the parent here. Next one is the child here. Child here. Next one is the subchild.
Subchild.
Okay, now subchild. So this is the order, guys. Please remember this order. Fine. I think in the interview panel here, 2 questions are there. The first question is the how to stop the event bubbling or event capturing. How to stop it? How to stop the event bubbling or
propagation.
event capturing? Stop a propagation function. Evented on stop a
Stop
propagation function.
propagation.
Evented on stop a propagation function. Automatically we can stop it. So that is the first function. Second one is the and one more thing is the I think you people need to tell propagation from top to down. Propagation from top to down we can call
Event caption.
propagation from down to up.
Event
Bubbling.
bubbling.
Event
Even
bubbling.
wobbling.
Guys, remember the order also. This order also very, very important. Guys, for the interview sake, we discuss this topic, guys, only for the interview sake. Fine. Guys, let me go for the one more example. The one more example is the async and theoretical here. I will tell the theoretically. Async and defer.html. We need to create one HTML. The HTML file is the async and defer.html. Fine. Guys, but I didn't tell this concept to you people. But first of all, you should know flow of execution also, guys. Then that is the correct, guys. Then that is the correct here. But we didn't explain that one. For example, this is the demo.html. This is what do you call demo1.html. You should know the execution of HTML, guys. How HTML internal will execute. Fine, guys. What is the doc type we need to take? Guys, what is the
Not
doc
doc
type we
type.
need
Not a
to
doctor.
take?
Not
Not a doc
doctor.
type HTML. Shravan, are you there now? Praveen, yes, sir. Who is the root element? The root element is the HTML. Here itself, we have the root element here. The root element is the HTML. Praveen, HTML divided into how many sections?
Two
Praveen,
sections.
head section. The first
Body
section is the,
section.
what is the first section? Head section. What is the second section? The
Body.
second section is the, and here itself we have the second section here, which is section we have here, and here itself we have the another section here, which is section we have body section. Guys, try to see this one here. Guys, this is the demo.html now. Answer, this is the demo.html. You people need to
Demo
tell.
1.html.
In the demo1.html. In the demo1.html, what is the doc type we have? Not a doc type
Not doc type.
HTML. What is the next one? Root element is the HTML.
HTML.
Next one is the header tag. Next one is the body tag.
Body
Guys,
tag.
assume here. In header tag, what happened? In header tag, I wanted to place a script tag. Script source equal to, guys, script source equal to, and here itself we need to place the demo.js. Guys, external file na.
Yes, sir.
That one what you call
External script.
external file na. Script source equal to demo.js.
Demo.js.
Yeah, script source equal to, and here itself we need to place the demo.js. So guys, internally what happened we will see. Fine, guys, the execution starts from line number 1 na.
Yes.
Guys, browser engine will start from the line number 1 na. Yes or not? Here the execution started. The execution completed up to where? Line number 3 na. Tell me here, any problem with the line number 1? No. Any
No.
problem with the line number 2? No.
No.
Any problem with the line number 3? Array,
No.
respond here, respond.
No, no,
Guys,
sir.
any problem to the line number 1? No.
No.
By seeing the line number 1, browser understanding the developer writing the HTML5 code.
HTML5.
Fine. After successful completion of line number 1, browser will execute the line number 2 na.
Yes, sir.
Browser will execute the line number 3 na. Yes or not? Say this
Yes.
one here. Browser started the execution here na. Say
Line
this
number
one here.
4. Yes.
Once again here. Browser started the execution here or not? Say this one here. Browser started the execution here.
Well.
say this one here. Coming to the browser started the execution here. In the line number one, execution started. Is my point right or not? Execution started, Sandeep. Execution completed up to happily completed up to line number 3 now.
Yes.
Yes or not?
Yes,
Execution
Yes, sir.
started at line number 1 and completed up to line number
line
3.
number 3.
Then browser will stop the execution. The reason is what? Script tag is there now. Script tag is there.
Yes.
So the execution will stop, guys. Here onwards the execution won't happen here. Immediately browser will go to external file
Demo
now.
JS file.
Yes or not? Immediately browser will go to a external file.
JavaScript file. Yes.
It will go to the location of external file. After going to the location of external file, first of all it will fetch the file here. Say this one here. First of all it will fetch the file. Fine. After fetching that file, then it should execute that file now. Tell me,
Yes.
then it should execute
sir.
that file now. Then it
Yes.
should
Yes.
execute that file here. So it will execute that file. First of all, fetching the file here. After fetching the file, then it will execute that
Execute
file
the
or
file.
not.
Yes.
Array,
sir.
talk with me here. Fetching
Yes,
is
sir.
for
Yes, sir.
processor. After fetching the file, it should execute that file or not.
It will
Yes.
execute the file. Yes.
After successful execution of demo.js file, browser engine start the execution from where once again?
Fourth, the
Yeah,
fifth line.
fourth line. So say this one here. Once again, execution started from here onwards now.
Yes, sir.
Yes or not? So the HTML execution passed here now.
Yes, sir.
Yes or not? The HTML
Yes.
execution passed here itself. In this time, the HTML execution passed. Guys, is it good? Is it good to pass the HTML execution like this? No, no, here, no.
No, sir.
Guys, HTML is different, JavaScript is different. Because of JavaScript, what happened? Because of JavaScript, what happened here? The
Execution
HTML execution is stopped or not?
stopped. Yes.
Is stopped because of HTML. The HTML execution, because of JavaScript, the
JavaScript.
HTML execution is stopped here.
Yes.
So this is the problem of HTML execution. This is the default behavior of HTML. Identify that person here.
Background. Sir.
Yes, guys. Can I explain the flow once again? Again?
Yes.
Guys, can I explain the flow once again? Again? Let me explain the flow once again. Sandeep, say this one again. Sandeep,
Yes.
execution starts from where?
First,
Sandeep,
not
execution
type.
starts from where? Not to talk type
Not
HTML.
type.
So execution started here. Sandeep, execution started here and execution happily continued up to
Third line. Head.
third line here. No issue na?
Yes,
No
sir.
issue.
issue, sir.
Suddenly what happened?
External
Browser
JavaScript file.
stopped the execution. Browser go to the location of
Demo.js.
browser go to the
external
location of
JavaScript file.
demo.js file. We don't know where it is available. We don't know. Browser immediately go to the location of demo.js file. After going to the location of demo.js file, it will load the file first of all or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
It will fetch the content or not first of all? Yes.
Yes.
After fetching the content, it will execute
will
the
execute
content or not?
Yes.
Yes. After successful execution of demo.js file, once again browser executing what?
Fourth line.
What? HTML na?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Browser executing the HTML. So because of JavaScript, what happened here? HTML execution is a passed or not?
Pause.
Yes.
Passed. So can you tell the best place to keep the JavaScript? What is the best place to keep the JavaScript? Is this
Sir.
place is correct? No,
No,
never
sir.
here.
Body,
Don't
body.
keep here. Don't keep here. Don't keep here. Just keep JavaScript. Just keep JavaScript at the end of the body or not?
End of the body, sir. Yes.
At the end, not body care, at the end of the body. At the end of the body, before HTML, you need to keep the JS file. So guys, that is also one of the interview panel question. Remember that one. Whatever I told here, that is also one of the interview panel question. Guys, this is the default execution of this is the default execution of what? This is the default execution of, can you tell me here? HTML with the JavaScript. Fine. Guys, here itself one more point is there. Which point we have here? The point is the, guys, let me go for the demo2.html. Let me go for the one more HTML. The HTML file is the demo.html. Shravan, can you tell the doc type here? Not
Not a doc
not
type
to doc
HTML.
type, not to doc type HTML.
HTML.
Do you know the root element here? Root element is
HTML
the
is the root
HTML.
element.
Root element is the HTML here. Here itself, we have the root element here. The root element is the HTML here. Next one, say this one here. Here itself, what is the tag we need to take? What is the tag we need to take? We need to
Body.
take the tag here. The tag is the header tag here. Next one. And here itself, we need to take the one more tag here. Which tag we need to take? We need to take the one more tag here. The tag is the body tag here. The first tag is the header tag here. The second tag is the, what is the second tag? Body tag.
Body tag.
Fine. Guys, under the header tag, go to the header tag. Under the header tag, can I take the script tag here? Script tag.
Yeah.
Script source equal to script source
Demo.
equal to, can I place the demo.js?
Demo.js.
Yes, sir. Can I close the script
Script
tag
tag,
here?
yeah.
Yes, guys. Can I link one keyword here? The keyword is the async keyword here. Here itself, we need to link one keyword here. Which keyword we need to link here? Async keyword we need to link here. So if I link async keyword internally, what happen? We will see. Simple, guys. If I link async keyword internally, what happen? We will see here, guys. HTML execution started it where? HTML execution started. Are you
HTML.
respond here?
Not doc type.
Not
Not
to
a doc type. First line.
Yeah, see this one. Not to talk type HTML and HTML head. Is or not head?
Yes.
Next one is the up to the header tag. It will execute or not?
Yes.
sir.
It will execute. But immediately browser will face what?
Out.
Browser script
As-
tag na
Script
Yes.
tag. But that script tag contain async keyword na.
Yes, sir.
So because of that async keyword, JavaScript fetching and execution will be happen here. While executing that one, HTML execution also won't stop. See this one here. Both are running parallel or not?
Yes.
Tell me here. Both are running parallel here. HTML execution running parallelly. Next one, JavaScript execution also running parallelly. I think you may feel like one thread will be created. One additional thread will be created here. Main thread executing. Tell me here. Main thread executing what? HTML. And
HTML.
say this one here. Subthreaded executing. Subthread executing. Say this one here. JavaScript here. Guys, these kind of parallel execution happen because of what?
Async.
Async keyword.
Because of which keyword here? Async keyword. Guys, are you getting the clarity now?
Yes, sir.
What is the normal flow, guys? This is the normal flow.
Hmm.
Because of async keyword, what happened here? HTML execution never be stopped.
And JSC will
HTML
Parallel
execution
execution of
never be stopped here.
HTML and JavaScript.
JavaScript execution
parallel.
also never be stopped. Both the things running parallelly. So because of which keyword? Async keyword here. Fine, guys. Can I go for one more keyword? The keyword is the differ keyword here. So inside the differ keyword, what happened? We will see. Guys, what is the name of the HTML? The name of the HTML file is the demo3.html. Let me go for the demo3.html. Guys, see this one here. And here itself, what you wanted to place, not to doc type HTML na? Guys, not to doc type HTML. Guys, what is the root element we need to take? The root element is the HTML na? The root element is the HTML. Can I close the HTML here? Yes.
Yes.
Guys, can I take the header tag here? Can
Yes,
I take
sir.
the header tag here? Why not? We should be in a position. We need to take one tag here. The tag is the header tag here. Guys, can I take the body tag here? And
Yes.
here itself, we should be in a position. We need to take the body tag. Whatever the body tag is there, and here itself, we need to place the body tag here. Shankar, say this one here. How to link the JS file here? How to link the JS file
With the
here?
help of
Say this
script tag.
one here. Script source equal to
Source
script to
equal
source
to
equal to what
Demo.js.
happened? Demo.js.
demo.js.
Demo.js. Which keyword you wanted to link here?
Async.
Sync.
Which keyword you
Differ
wanted to link here?
keyword.
Differ keyword. One more keyword is there.
Okay.
The keyword is the differ keyword here. So HTML execution started at where?
Not
HTML
doc
execution
Not
started
a
at line
doc
number
type.
1 na?
Yes.
Line number 1, line number 2, line number 3. Any problem? No
No.
problem. Fine. In the line number 3, immediately script code is there na? So another thread will create, guys. That thread will fetch the data from external resource. That thread will bring what? That thread will bring what? JS or not?
Yes.
JS. So this is the JS loading. See this one. This is what? This is the JS loading. Respond, guys. This is the JS loading. Fine. Fine. Now one more point. I think after successful completion of JS loading, once again here, guys, both are running parallelly, guys. See this one here itself, both are running parallelly, guys. Both are running parallelly here. So JS execution, JS execution, can you tell me here?
HTML execution.
JS execution, next one, HTML execution, both are running parallelly. HTML execution running parallelly, JS fetching also. Guys, JS fetching also. See this one here, JS fetching and HTML execution. Both are running parallelly or not?
Yes.
So if a JS fetching successfully, then JS execution will happen. Okay, na? At that time, what happened? HTML execution stopped. Catch my point or not? Fine, next one. If a JS execution success, then HTML execution once again started here. Getting the flow na, guys? Yeah, listen the flow once again, guys. What is
It's
the
like
keyword here?
normal
What is the
execution.
keyword here? The
Default
keyword is the
keyword.
defer
Defer
keyword.
keyword.
Na? So Sandeep, say this one here. HTML execution, JS fetching. Only fetching, I'm talking about the JS fetching. HTML execution, JS fetching happening parallelly or not?
Yes.
Yes.
HTML execution and JS fetching. Fetching you're not executing, JS only fetching. HTML execution, JS fetching, both are running parallelly. Fun. If a JS fetched successfully, so which one will pass? Which one will pass here? HTML will be passed. Fine. After passing the HTML, who will execute? JS will execute. JS will execute. After successful execution of JS once again, which one will execute here? HTML execution.
HTML will resume.
Yes, guys, this is because of what? Defer keyword now.
Yes.
Defer keyword here. Guys, did you remember this concept here?
Sir, please once again.
What? Where you stuck? Where you stuck? Tell me.
Sir, in defer keyword.
I think JS contain two partitions. JS contain two partitions. JS fetching, JS execution. Okay,
Sir,
na? JS
okay.
fetching, JS execution. Two partitions are there. JS fetching, HTML execution, both are running parallelly.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, na?
Okay.
If JS fetched successfully, HTML execution passed. Which one started here? JS execution started here. Okay, now if
Okay.
JS executed successfully, once again HTML execution restarted. So that is the difference between the defer keyword and the async keyword. Guys, okay or confusing? Guys, anyone here okay or confusing this one?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Respond here, kindly respond here.
Okay, sir.
Okay, na? Guys, this is also one of the new concept, guys. I think this one also they will ask in the interview panel. Remember that one. Whatever we have, this one also they will ask in the interview panel. What is the difference between async keyword and defer keyword? Fun. In the
What
defer
kind of instances will go for async?
async no, but best suggestion is to go for the what? Defer only, because async no, don't
Okay.
use the async. Async in the sense everything executing parallelly now.
Yes, sir.
Everything executing parallelly here. So that is not the correct here. So give the priority to whom? Defer only. Defer
Defer
only.
only.
For example, person 2 depending on person 1. Is it possible with the async keyword?
No.
No.
I think never go for the async keyword. Always go for the what? Always
Defer
go for the
keyword.
defer keyword.
Keyword.
Defer keyword in the sense HTML execution, JS fetching, both are running parallelly.
Yes.
Parallelly. If a JS fetched successfully, what happened?
Yes, execution.
What happened? JS execution will be happen.
Execution happen.
After completing the JS execution, what happened once again?
HTML
HTML
execution will be happen once again.
Okay, now fine. Let me
Yes,
share that screen again. Guys, remember that one here and know the some scenarios also because you asked a correct question like Purima. They will ask that question in which scenario we need to go for the async keyword, in which scenario we need to go for the different keyword. So give the priority to whom? Give the first priority to whom?
Before.
Differ.
Give the first priority to the different
Differ
keyword.
keyword.
Okay, now fine. Yeah, guys, please go through up to now in the tomorrow session here. We need to go for the enhancement of this one. Yeah. Okay, now
Okay.
fine. Guys, everyone able to access the video files now.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Everyone able to access the video files now.
Sir, DOM video is not available there, sir.
Okay, fine. Guys, any question, guys? Anyone? No. Any question, guys?
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, in the last example of the top to bottom, there the last example that you didn't need any true.
If I give the true one, then only linking is happening. Otherwise, linking won't be happening here from top to down.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, na? Fine. If I place the true, then that is event capturing. If I'm leaving that one, then that one we can call event public.
Okay. Okay.
There's a difference.
But because the subchild is not need the true, na?
True. Okay, na? Fine. Thank you, guys. Bye. In the tomorrow session, we need to see the enhancements. Fine, guys, watch it here. Wonderful JavaScript we discussed. Please watch all the video files. Okay, na? Fine. Put my share your email to me, then I will link it here.